Hi, my name is Libby Weiss. I'm a pre-press specialist with Hemlock Printers, and I'm going to give you a brief demo on how to split pages apart in InDesign CS3. The same techniques apply for CS2 and CS. I'm going to show my guides under the View menu, Grids and Guides, Show Guides. The outer line shows the bleed, the inner line shows the trim. First page, we don't need to add any bleeds. There's bleed on all four sides. We go to pages 2 and 3, and this is a full bleed crossover image. We don't need to extend bleeds into the spine on this spread because when we print the left page, it will pick up enough bleed from the right-hand side, and likewise when we print the right-hand page, it will pick up bleed from the left side here. It's a different story on pages 4 and 5, however. This spread has two images that both butt to the spine, so we need to add bleed into the spine for both of these pages. In order to do so, we need to pull the pages apart. Because these are set as facing pages, which you can see in the File menu, Document Setup, Facing Pages is chosen. We don't want to change this because that will change the left and right attributes. So what we need to do is go to the Pages palette, and you can find that under the Window menu, Pages. Pages 4 and 5 are the ones that we want to split apart. First, we have to go to the pop-out menu and make sure that both of these options are unchecked. So there's no check marks on both of these options allowing pages to shuffle. When we back in the Pages palette, you simply grab the page you want to move. And you see how it turned pink. You just grab it and drag it to the right. You can see the little arrow, and you wait until you see that solid line develop, and then you let go. Now your pages have split apart without affecting the left and right attributes, which would change your master pages. Your master page elements, rather. Now we have page 4 here. We can grab and pull out the bleed on that image, and likewise on page 5. And there you're done.